Okay, we've just fitted the mirrors on the car. Next gen with cameras. When you receive the mirrors, they won't have a cap on the back. They'll have a cap in the box. So when you fit the caps, you've got two little lugs down the bottom here. Sit them into the bottom like that. Make sure you get them sitting in correctly. And then put a little bit of pressure on the outside of the mirror, down here, to get that bottom corner in. And then once you get it to there, hold it in tight and give it a snap like that. And there it is, there's the finished mirror. Next gen, go and tow.